Everybody, this is Robin. I'm here with Evil Client. We are going to do some really cool glitter nails. I've started this tutorial with Wet n Wild Black, Peacefully Me by Dazzle Dry, and then I have a matte coat over the top by Wet n Wild, and they are mostly dry, but I only have black paint out right now. This is Apple Barrel acrylic paint that you buy at Walmart or eBay, wherever you can find it. It's very inexpensive. So I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to start painting, but I also have a whole bunch of different glitters out. So get your glitters out and join me. So we're going to start with this one, and I'm going to just dot, and that's where the eyes are going to be, just to make sure that they're even. Evil Client, can you make sure I stay somewhat in frame? Let me get, there we go. Oh, yeah, got it?
Got it.
Okay, cool. Just look up every once in a while. I'll give you. So I'm going to take that dot up and down on my brush. And this is harder than it looks, like, to get it kind of even. But whatever you do, just have fun with it. So this is just all made out of hearts. I'm going to do this. Perfect. And then, okay. And
Camera's reading it as a face now.
Awesome.
It's kind of funny when it does that. Just all of a sudden, box. Portrait.
Would you like a filter? Why, yes, I would. Okay. That. This is going to be all red right here, so it doesn't matter if it's a line. Okay. Now, I'm going to fill in this black. Okay. Fill in this black. And just keep on painting. Okay. I suppose I could have done them all black to begin with, but no worries. I'm just going to keep going. Next one. Okay. Now, I want to do a rose here that's bleeding. So, I'm going to paint it like I'm going to do a rose, and then I'm going to add petals in sections. So, 1, 2, and as I get out further and further, the sections will be a little bit bigger, some wider and some longer. See, because it's like blooming outward. This would be awesome, just like this. If you try this, show me, hashtag me, inspired by Robin Moses. This is going to be the most important ones. So I'm going to push down, pull up, and down, in, and up. Push down, pull up, and in. Then I'll go in again with another one, and then do like this, just to make sure that it's just like dripping blood. And then I just want one blood drip standalone. Maybe I'll take that out. If I want to, I would just take some alcohol and take that completely out if I decide that I don't like it. Okay, back to the other hand. Okay, okay, get my brush loaded again with paint. And then I'm going to do a littler face, right? Just like dot. From the bottom of the dot, go up. From the bottom, well, I can go right here. Just make an X, like that. And then below it, do your little dot. That. Cross up. Cross down. Then we're going to do evil heart face. Okay, he is this. Just like dot, 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 dot. His eyes look like scissors. Isn't that cool?
They do.
Okay. So then, now that I've got it drawn in and I know it fits, then I'll start making the evilness of it. Rah. And then do this and then up, 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 up. Okay, now on his teeth, I'm going to make little sharp teeth, but I think I'm going to do it in glitter. So to save myself time, I'm just going to make it all black, like that. But I want it to be somewhat not perfect, okay? Lastly, I'm going to do a spider. So I'm going to go like this. Dot. Dot. Then we're going to do push. 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 And you want them to be real long and lean legs, because you want it to look like a line drawing. Sorry, did I get over myself?
Hmm?
Am I showing? Is it showing in the camera?
Actually, your hand was showing
Right.
on the camera right there.
I know, it's such a hard angle sometimes, and I have to apologize because my hand gets in the way. Or my head, one or the other. Okay, so there's that. Then I'm going to make him over the top of a glitter heart, so it's not going to have to be perfect at this time. Okay, so let me get my glitters and I'll meet you back. Okay, so now I have my glitters out, and this is how I'm gonna, I'm gonna try and explain it, how I do it. Now I do this on all different sizes. This is a big one, but on a little one, on the lip of the area, you put all the glitters that you're gonna use, and in the center, you put the acrylic medium, textile medium. When it dries really hard. You can put it in between 2 layers of gel. So when it dries and it sticks between 2 layers of gel, it's perfect, and it doesn't blob out while you're painting with glitters. So I'm gonna fill my brush up with the acrylic medium, and then I'm going to pull it into different colors. Okay, and as I put it into different colors, you'll see. Okay, let me do one. I'm going to drop it down, pick up a bead like this. Make sure that that bead has plenty of acrylic medium in it. Oops, there we go. And you can mess with ratios however you want. This is endless, but this technique is always the same. So I'm gonna try and get this technique out. If you use this technique, please refer people back to it. Okay, stay inspired by Robin Moses. Let's get this technique out so you don't have to get extra products. So here we go. I'm gonna go, drop down, and pull. And you'll see that yes, you don't get as much glitter per line as normal, but if you just tack it another time really quick, it really is limitless. So I'm gonna do like a pink one, and then I'll do pink through. And I'll do teal and red and yellow. And I was thinking to myself, do I really want to do just all one color, or do I want it to be all rainbow colors? And on today, I'm just gonna do rainbow just because it's cool and it's glittery and fun. Then when I start working with one color, you'll understand like, oh, how, like why. So here we go. Now, I'm gonna go in here, get some red. Am I on camera? No. There we go. So red is going to be the dominating color on the rose. And I'm going to do the rose and explain, and then I will do all of them this way. Get a baseline down for everything, and then just show you as I do the highlights, but you guys will get it. When I'm done, there'll be little tiny circles of every single glitter color I have done here, and it takes for a long time for them to dry, okay? So, not on the nails though, just you get more time to work with the color. So I'm gonna take the red, go into the medium, and start coloring in some of the red rose. like that. Just like a paint by numbers. However, you can do this with a stamp. You know, like if you want to, do it. But if you do it on a stamp, can you please say inspired by Robin Moses? If you were, because I need to get my nails out to girls who want to learn how to paint. So that's my sole purpose for doing everything. And so anything you guys can do to help me is awesome. There's that. And I'm going to do this. Pull down. And then, see, here's where I will know if I want to keep that one or not. But you see how you guys see? It's just like the best thick polish ever. It is awesome. And it does not come off easily. It doesn't turn into a sticker like using other mediums. I was really scared about telling this on film when I first started because I was afraid that everybody was going to sell you textile medium in half-ounce bottles for really expensive amounts of money. And you don't need to have that. You can buy this whole huge bottle like this for like $8. And a small 2-ounce bottle for $1.99. 2 ounces lasts a lifetime. Okay. So, here is... Because your clients will be paying for your knowledge. Remember that. Your expertise. See, I'm using less glitter around some of them. That way it shows more. And gives you your own little swag. I'm going to fill this in. So I hope you see where I'm going with this. It is so cool. Breath. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
You sound so non-impressed. I love it. Okay, I'll meet you guys. You guys get the major idea. I'm going to finish this off. Let me do another one. I have a beautiful gold chrome. Let's get that going. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, a beautiful gold chrome. So I can go in and chrome the sides like this. And I know that it's secure. I can go in, chrome the side like this, and I know it's secure. Okay, now I'm going to gold chrome. Get some on the tip of my brush. Touch. That's with one layer of chrome. Then I just go back right over the top of it while it's still even kind of wet and redo. And it just keep on adding. And if you want to, you can go all different levels of this so that it's not all the way on it. If you're not comfortable with going to the cuticle, then you would go get some, let's get a blue or a green. I'll just give you the highlights of this. If you don't feel comfortable, then you would go down halfway. And it really is up to you. So I'm going to finish up with all the glitters and meet you back. Okay, there. It's getting filled up, guys. Other hand. Oh my gosh, look at this. Here he is. Okay, so I'm going to work on him now. On camera. Here we go. Teeth. You want to watch and stay in frame for me?
I can.
This is going to be fun for you to watch because this is cute. Okay. Chrome and the wand brush. RobinMosesNailart.com. Dot, 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 dot. Chrome pigment with textile medium. The chrome pigment is just wherever you can find it the cheapest. I did mine on eBay.
The chrome pigment, do you just mean glitter?
Pigment is eyeshadow, but the
Yeah.
chrome eyeshadow is like so fine. And I don't know if you can use it as an eyeshadow because it's so fine it might be not good for you. But it's a really fine, it's where glitter is just ground down to its essence. And then when you use it for this, it's shinier. But if you use it with other things, it'll just look like metal. So it's very, very versatile.
So it's not just any glitter or any...
No, it's more of just like eyeshadow crush.
Eyeshadow
Yeah.
type of a... glitter type of a
Yeah.
thing.
It looks like this for those of you guys who don't know. Can you see it in the... right there?
Yeah.
It just looks like dust. And trust me when I say it gets all in your clothes, all in your laundry. And my laundry thing has so much glitter in it. I should make a video just of that. The things I find in my dryer. Robin Moses. I mean, seriously, the little fuzz in my dryer has glitter all in it all the time.
I believe that.
Yeah, it does. Including my dog, including everything. So I am going to push this glitter out so it looks kind of like this heart is exploding. And that's why I kind of left the dots to remind myself. But I'm going to go over with another layer of red so it stands out more. Go through and do his little eyes. And again, but you guys get the idea, and that's all I'm trying to share. So here is the little tiny spider. I'm going to go over with the chrome. And do you see how it just flows right over because they're just such thin, pretty layers. Okay, I just want this to translate as a web. I don't need to draw the whole web. So cute. All right, I will meet you back again.
Okay, now this is the finished result, and I have a light on it. I put one top coat of gel. Now, for those of you guys who use base coats and gel coats and stuff like that, and sometimes you get the shrinking and the peeling and stuff like that, I'll tell you how this goes. But I've tried it already a couple of times and it's working fine with the glitter and the textile medium. It stays fine. But again, every single person has their favorite way of doing things, and I know that this layer of painting really goes between two layers of gel perfectly. You can really see the chrome on that. It's beautiful. You want to see Evil Planet? Isn't that cool?
Yeah, it is cool.
Look at the rose.
Yeah, I really like the rose.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
So, I'm showing Esther for you guys because you guys love it. And I love looking at it right now. I wish these were my nails, but I know that I'd break one. Day one. Look at this one, Evil Client. Get that one, the face. Okay, now get it where it's...
Wait a minute, it's... There. Okay.
There you go.
There. I have to have my finger kind of turned, or else it's...
I know, the way that your angle is just not natural, but it's okay. And now look at the heart. Isn't that pretty? This heart.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. Thumbs.
Stripey thumbs.
Okay, you guys. When you try this, please hashtag me, inspired by Robin Moses. Get brushes and support my channel and everything I teach you, all the little tips I give you. It helps me because it's not YouTube, you guys. RobinMosesNailart.com, the wand. And I want to thank everyone who paints with me. I love you guys. You guys know who you are. Thank you for joining in the hashtag Robin Moses collaborations on Instagram. They are wonderful. They really inspire so many people to try as new artists and start building skills, and everyone there is really super helpful and will give you all the answers to the questions you need. So feel free to join them. I mean, it's just a hashtag, you add it on, and every month they host another collaboration. I give away brushes to people who really try. We like donate stuff to each other, whatever you guys need and stuff like that, just to get you started. So try it, and I'll see you back with more. Everybody have a great day. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, this will be in the Valentine's playlist and the, what other one? Hot?
Evil?
Hot? Evil? I need an evil playlist. Okay, I'm on that. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
Hello. I didn't have my light turned all the way up. Let me go in and show you guys with the light turned up, just in case I get another light. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I just know that I want you guys to get the best pictures of these ever, because my first 1,000 videos had horrible light, so these are better. Okay, you guys, bye.